You all are welcome once again on my channel. On today's video, I will be taking us on step by step how to activate your Streamyard and make your live streams on Streamyard. A lot of people have been finding it difficult to activate and make their live streams using Streamyard. So on this video, I'm going to take us all on a step by step how we are going to activate your Streamyard and stream without any problem on Streamyard. So don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any question in the comment section. Also subscribe if you are new on my channel, and right about now let's dive into the video. Okay, now for you to stream on Streamyard, first of all you have to go through your Chrome. So you have to click on your Chrome, click on the Chrome, and when the Chrome is open, you type on the search button Streamyard. When it's open, you select the first option, live streaming software, stream to multiple platforms. Now when it is open, you will see get started, and then you come down to the box below. You see email address. So right about now you are going to enter your email address, the email address of your YouTube channel, the one you are going to be using for the live streaming. So you are going to enter it into the box and then select get started. Now they are going to send you a 6-digit code on your email. So right now you are going to go to your email and check the 6-digit code they are going to send you. When you get the 6-digit code, you come to this box and enter the 6-digit code. Then after that you click on the button login. Now welcome to Streamyard. Our mission is to make it super easy for you to create professional live stream. You're going to click on onward, the blue button, to continue. Now you are going to select YouTube. Here you have Facebook and many other places where you can stream to using Streamyard, but due to we want to make use of YouTube, so we are going to select YouTube channel. Now we have many email on this phone, but we are going to make use of the right email that we are going to be using, the email we entered at the initial time, which is Pascaline APN. So that's the one we are using. So we select once again. Now we come to the next page. This will allow Streamyard to manage your YouTube account. You have to allow Streamyard to access your YouTube now. Now we come to another stage. Here you are going to open YouTube Live Dashboard. So here you are going to select Open YouTube Live Dashboard. Now it is going to take you to a next place where you are going to select Continue to the Studio. To continue to the studio, don't select Get the app, just select Continue to the Studio. For some people, they may not show Continue to the Studio, they may move to the next level, but for some people, they must show you Continue to the Studio. Now we are into the studio, the YouTube studio. Here is where everything is going to happen right now. So here you are going to select the three dots at the top right side in order to select the desktop side. You are going to set it on desktop side to be able to access the information enable. When you set it on the desktop side, it is going to show you an option where you are going to enable your YouTube studio to stream. Now it is showing the red button enable. So you are going to select the enable to move to the next step. Now you are going to verify your phone number. You are going to select the blue option by the right to verify your phone number. Now you are going to choose one option amongst the two options here. If you want them to send you the code through text message, you select the first one. If you want them to call you, you select the second one, but here we are selecting the first one. We want to receive the code by text message. And then down here you enter your phone number. Of course, I am making this video from Germany, so select your country. I select Germany, but you can select any country where you are living. So now I entered my phone number, and then I'm going to select Get Code. Now they are going to send you a particular code in your inbox as a text message on your phone number. And when you get the text message with the code, you are going to enter the 6-digit code in this box. After that, you click on Submit. Your phone number is verified. Congratulations, your phone number has now been verified. Okay, now your phone number has been verified. Now we are moving to the next stage. Then after 24 hours, after your number has been verified, you can now continue. Now all you're going to do after 24 hours is go back to your Chrome, go to search button again and type Streamyard. You are going to search for Streamyard again. Now it is going to be easy because your email has been verified and your phone number has been verified. So when it opens, you select the first option again, easily start a live show, live streaming studio. Now you are going to create a broadcast. You select your account, your YouTube account. Now you are going to enter the title of the live stream, the title of your live stream. You enter the title, and after that you enter the description if you have any. Now I'm going to select, just make a choice of a simple title for the sake of this tutorial, and what I'm selecting is Let's Grow Together. You can enter description if you have any, and you make sure that your privacy is on public if you want to go public immediately. And then if you want to schedule the live stream for later, the next day, or anytime you want, you can make use of the schedule for later. Then when you click on it, it's going to open. There you are going to select, upload your thumbnail, select your day you want to make the live stream, your dates and your time. But now we are not scheduling it for next time, so we are going to move ahead and click on create a broadcast. Now you are entering a broadcast studio. Now we have entered into the broadcast studio in Streamyard. So now you can see the microphone, you can see the camera, you can be able to turn them off if you want. Now first of all, we are going to enter the display name, the name you want to be showing on your stage name. Now I'm selecting Pascaline. You can see my microphone is mute. So at the moment when you're starting your live stream, you can decide to mute your microphone, but when you are on the stage, then you can put it on. You can equally decide to off your camera. When you move into the stage, you put it on. But now let's forge ahead. Enter broadcast studio. You have to select enter broadcast studio. Now we are into the studio. Now you can make choice. Now you can see your studio is down. It has not entered inside the live streaming board. So here you can now you have to come here and select your studio so that your studio will enter into the broadcasting board. Now you click on go live. By the right top side of the screen, you see go live. You click on go live. When you select it, you click again on go live. Now you can see you are live right now. You can now decide to put on your camera, put on your microphone, so that your viewers can be able to hear you and see you as well. Now you can see we are on live stream. We are streaming live right now. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.